How to draw a line in Instagram story. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to draw a line in Instagram story. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on your story option, which can be seen in the top left side of the screen. And now here, once you see the interface like this, here you can simply select photo or video as you like. And after that, on the next section, what you can do is you can just look at the left hand side, and there you can just tap on the downward arrow, and from there you can simply tap on draw option. And here, once you have selected that, you can select brush, erasers or highlighter, and with that, now you can choose the brush type you want to add and color as well. And here, once you're done with everything, then what you can do is you can just point your finger and draw a line or other things as well. And if you don't like it, you can undo it as well. And here you can select your action by tapping on undo options or hit eraser icon to erase it manually as well. And once you're satisfied with it, you can just tap on the tick icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And here with that, you can post the story if you like. And that's it. That's how you can draw a line in Instagram story. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.